Well, the hum of the generators is in the air today. Everybody is starting to do some cleanup. I know my husband, he could not sit still, so he is clearing up some branches and limbs and starting a fire. And the forest looks like, here, I'll show you. It's like a fairy tale. It's so beautiful and at the same time just scary because it is starting to melt. So branches are still breaking and enormous pieces of ice are coming down. But it looks like something out of a fairy tale. It's so dazzling. All right, guys. Along with us today and as we start some cleanup effort. All right, this is our backyard. As you can see, we're gonna have a lot of trees to cut down soon. I decided to let them stretch their wings and their feathers a little bit, or their legs. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. We noticed the coop door was not going to shut. It kept catching at the top, so we're guessing something must have hit the chicken coop and kind of tweaked it somehow. So we are going to have to make do with this, and Nick's going to trim it up and make it work. Well, there we go. It closes perfectly now. Thank you.
What's the mess?
Oh, you'll have to do. With the skies and weather so clear right now, we're definitely noticing some overhead traffic. I can only imagine how crazy it must look from up there. Holy smokes! These guys must be coming out to survey the damage. Oh, they're so low. Well, there's some good news. Whoa! Something big just came down. So I was gonna say, there's some good news. That big widowmaker that was above the chicken coop did come down. And it did not hit the chicken coop. So far, the coop has sustained no damage. But I'm getting out of here because the ice is falling. Listen to this ice just rain down. It is super sunny. Not very warm. Still below freezing, I believe. There we go. Huh? Steer it? Yeah, that's doing just fine. Just a reminder for the viewers, don't try this at home.
Cone.
Yeah, you don't need that out there anymore. He put this cone up to advise drivers going by that there was a low line, but the big power truck just took it out, so we don't have to have the cone anymore. So amazingly, this is our internet line. It's still hooked up and it still works. We are so lucky. I don't know how much longer that's going to be hanging on because it is hanging on for dear life. Well, we're just going to move the plow truck away from the barn in case we get any more ice buildup on the roof. We are expecting another storm tonight, so don't let the sunshine and blue skies fool ya. We just can't catch a break. Another big storm system is on the way. We're under a winter weather advisory with probably another 5 inches or so of snow on top of this ice, and then it's going to be windy, so more stuff is going to be breaking, I'm sure. everyone, this is what the side roads look like, and this is why it's a state of emergency and why no one can get out, because it's practically impassable. You can tell people have been in here clearing stuff so that they can put a little path through here. Oh my goodness. Wow. The amount of cleanup, it's unrecognizable. I don't even know, I hardly know where I'm at. Well, we're not getting down that road. And this is why some people truly are stuck. You cannot get under or over these lines. And this right here is why the power outage is going to be a multi-week event for folks in our area. Yes, there are places that have had their power restored. Not here. This is going to be multiple weeks. There's not a pole standing. All right, everybody, I'm going to wrap it up for the day. That's what we've got for you. As you can see, we have a lot of cleanup left to do, us and everybody else. So we are in for round 2 tonight of more ice and snow and high winds. So expect there to be even more damage at this point. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Keep everybody in your thoughts and prayers, and join us on the next one. Stay tuned. We've got a lot of stuff coming up for you. Thanks, guys. Bye.